So if you searching, you looking for a video for your first time to do clip-ins, curly clip-ins, and you want to do a little half up, half down, girl, you in the right place. So make sure you keep on watching. Today, I'm gonna show you how I got this super cute natural half up, half down using clip-ins, honey. Yes, 18-inch curly clip-ins, as you can see, blended flawlessly. And guess what? This was my first time doing this. I think this video is perfect for all the girlies who might be going into fall and they want like a real low maintenance, easy, cute, natural hairstyle. I'm a half up, half down girly, and let's get into the inches. The inches give it such a cute, chic, sophisticated, very demure look. I can do it. My first time, you can do it too. So go ahead and save this video, click like if you're gonna stick around and watch the whole thing, and make sure you click to watch the next video after that too. Let's get this hair all the way together, y'all, okay? Let's do it. First steps first, we're gonna go ahead and do a natural part for half up, half down. Just like this until it feels like I have the hair in a good place. I don't want it too high. As you can see, I'm pulling it back so that it's almost like a more natural half up, half down. So this is about where I want it. So I'm going to use one of these ponytail holders to secure it. But first we're going to smooth the hair. Bit of water. We're going to put the gel on the front of the hair and just smooth everything back. I like to go in with a little mousse as well. And this is my first time doing this hairstyle, so I'm not a pro, but I do think that it's useful for someone like me who might be trying it for the first time. Hair is slicked back, and we're gonna go in with our hair tie. Some freshly washed clip-ins. I'm gonna put a clip of me just washing them like they were my natural hair, nothing too crazy. You're supposed to air dry them, but I'm impatient, so they are just a little damp right now, and then I'm going to blend it with my natural hair. Shout out to Natural Textures for these complimentary clip-ins. They gifted them to me. I was really interested in trying a new hairstyle for the fall that I could kind of like integrate into my daily looks, really low maintenance, low fuss, and so I wanted to do a little half up, half down inspo. I'm gonna put my inspo pic right here, okay? That is definitely my inspiration for the look, so let's get into it together. I have a small section here that I'm working with. That is gonna be my first section of hair. So if you've never worked with clip-ins before, they come in a bundle. These are 18 inches. It's a curly texture, kind of like more of a looser texture here. And clip-ins, I actually didn't know this part, but they actually clip. Hear that? Yes, so that's how they work. That's how you secure them. You unclip them and then you put them into the hair and then you close them by clipping them again. So fun fact in case you're like me and you had no clue how clip-ins worked. Unclipped all the clip-ins and I'm just going to pop them right into the parted section of hair. As you can see, my hair is a little dry. With some water, get my hair back to a texture that's similar to the clip-in. As you can see, it's blending flawlessly, so I'm really impressed with that. I'm loving how that looks. Yes, okay girl. Go in with a little bit of mousse, and we're gonna continue that until we have all the clip-ins assorted in the back of the hair. Clip-ins come with different numbers of clips on them, so I'm gonna go in, that was a 4, so I'm gonna go in with a 4 or a 3. They are unclipped. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and just spritz my hair so it can blend. I love this because it actually feels really secure. I've never worn clip-ins because I was nervous it didn't feel like anything, but like it actually feels like it's not going anywhere. You can kind of make them like tighter to the scalp if you want, which is news to me. Make sure we are blending it. This looks, I'm like shook. This looks so good. Beautiful. Blending, blending. We're almost there. We're on the last track, and so I'm gonna go in with the number 5. Add a little bit of mousse. All right, so now we're gonna take the clip-in and we're going to wrap it around our ponytail. So now we're gonna wrap it into a little bit of a messy bun. We're gonna fill in the corners that might be a little sparse. Are you dying? Final product. Pretty. I love it. What I really love about these clip-ins too is just how soft they are. They are super combable and usable. Like, I was combing through this like it was my own natural hair, and of course my natural hair is left out in between, but I just feel like it's just really easy to work with, and the texture is really beautiful, and I'm excited to see how it looks as it continues to dry. But this look is looking like she's she's doing something, right? She's doing something. So I'll leave all the information in the description bar below about the type of hair that I'm using and any products that I might have used to finesse the look and to keep it slick, keep it cute. I'm really loving this, y'all. So let me know, give me a thumbs up if you like the way this look came out. And I hope you found this video helpful. So good luck, and let me know if you achieved the look you wanted. All right, we'll talk soon. Bye.